Chris Prentice, the co-founder and co-director of Passages and author of The Alcoholism and Addiction Cure.
Chris Prentice and his son Pax, a former heroin and cocaine addict, founded Passages 6 years ago based on the tools they say helped Pax become sober.
The difficulty I have with the disease concept and with calling yourself an addict is that labels you and it defines you.
I would like to see the 12-step program blossom into what it can be. You know, according to the Alcoholics Anonymous homepage, only 5% of people who ever go to an Alcoholics Anonymous meeting ever go back for a second meeting. And the reason for that, in our opinion, is that they don't like calling themselves addicts and alcoholics.
Sure.
They don't like to declare themselves powerless. They want to, you know, we tell people that you can be cured completely. We instill hope in them.
All right.
And with the 12-step program, the first thing they do is declare their hopelessness.
Doctors, scientists say addiction is a disease. You say it's not.
I know it's not.
That's correct. We know it's not. The moment one buys into the concept that I have this incurable disease of alcoholism, they stop looking for the real reasons. And the real reasons are what need to be healed, and the moment they're healed, it's over. At Passages, what we do is we look for the underlying causes why people are using drugs and alcohol.
Passages is very different from your average rehab, with less focus on group therapy and more focus on one-on-one treatment. Some is what you'd expect. Regular meetings with a psychologist, as well as therapists who focus on family issues and chemical dependency. Meetings with a nutritionist who specializes in spiritual counseling. Here, they say the massages help heal the body ravaged by drugs. And they claim activities like surfing serve a purpose too.
Why the gourmet chefs? Why the massage therapists? Is that necessary?
It's not necessary in a way, but in another way it is, because this is a healing center. The people who want to come to this program expect to be in a nice surrounding.
Nearly $70,000 a month. Why so expensive?
Because it's one-on-one treatment, because it's in a $22 million estate, because there's 100 people who work here to take care of 29 clients. It's an expensive program to put on. More than 80% of the people who come to Passages since we opened our doors in 2001 are still clean and sober. People use drugs and alcohol because of heartbreak, because of loneliness, because of stress, because of anxiety, because of peer pressure, because of childhood problems, rape, incest, brutality, abandonment, guilt, things they've done to others. That's why people use drugs and alcohol. It's not because they are some incurably diseased person with no hope of recovery.